Hey guys, it's Darren from Healthy Living Right, and I real quickly am going to show you how to make a ACV, an apple cider vinegar summer spritzer. It's going to be so simple, so tasty and refreshing, and perfect for you and your weight loss goals. So I was recently reviewing an article from 2018 out of the Journal of Functional Foods on the Visceral Adiposity Index, weight management, and using apple cider vinegar in one of the control groups. The two groups, one had a restricted calorie diet, the second had a restricted calorie diet with apple cider vinegar for 12 weeks. The one with apple cider vinegar showed a vast improvement over the group with just the regular RCD. And I will actually take and put the link in the description below so you can review it yourself. Very cool findings. This is from 2018. There has been a number of major studies on this. So it's not just something that is used for glucose or for hunger. It has been proven to show weight loss effects. So I'm going to make a real quick refresher, show you how it's done, and please incorporate this into your daily routine. It is proven to give benefits. Going to add 1 cup of ice to a blender or NutriBullet, 2 tablespoons of raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar. Going to add half a cup of wild blueberries, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of monk fruit, Stevia to taste, 2 tablespoons of organic lemon juice. And now going to add your water in, and you're going to blend all of this together for 1 minute. And that's all there is to it. You have a wonderful, refreshing apple cider vinegar spritzer for the summer. That is going to help you with your weight loss goals. As you can see, some amazing little chunks of blueberry. One of the reasons I used real blueberries instead of a juice is because you're still getting the pulp and the fiber. So you're gonna not have the spike or the pulse and your glucose. So if you've made it to the end, I appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and have a great day.